Hello guys, everybody is very nervous in my city and me as well because we're gonna get hurricane and tropical storm. It sounds really crazy and dangerous. We are having a leak in our roof because they didn't install it right, the home builders, and we actually suing them. But the court day is next year on March, and we have to deal with the leak right now because I'm afraid tomorrow will be too late. So my husband on the roof, and he asked me to get this saw, so I'm going to Home Depot or Lowe's, and I hope I'll find what I need. So it's supposed to start tomorrow. Today is Thursday, tomorrow is Friday. Yeah, it's kind of really scary because I'm really not the best swimmer. I'm really afraid, what if we have to evacuate, what we're gonna do with all our birds and cats. I have 3 smaller cages. I can just put my birds in those cages and transport them, but what to do with cats? So anyway, I hope we don't have to evacuate, and I hope everything will be okay. Yesterday my husband called me and he says go and get some gas because there are lines at gas stations. So I went and I got gas. It was not too bad. And today people are complaining because they have to go from one gas station to another because they only can fill out limited amount of gas. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. The water is gone. You cannot buy bottled water. Everybody asking for bottled water. I'm very scared. Hi, do you know where I can find this thing?
That will be on aisle 13 on your left-hand side.
Thank you. It's getting cloudy. I'm a crazy person who always needs to be prepared for some kind of emergency. Here's my little emergency closet with food. I have beans here, and I have canned, no, it's beans too. I have salmon here, and I have sugar, what else? Mayonnaise, nuts, protein bars, granola, matches and crackers and matches. So I think we'll be okay for a week. So we are lucky. Jason got those 2 packs of water yesterday, and we have about 2 or 3 packs more somewhere. Yes, I knew you were here. My life vest. And ta-da-da-da, I found my life vest and I'm very happy about it. I feel a little safer. Yeah, it looks like this. Makes me very fat. No, but it doesn't matter. I just hope it will keep me safe. That's what matters now. Let's fill out the bus stop. Read on next door that it's nice to put lots of bottled water in the refrigerator, so if our power goes down, those bottles gonna get freezed up and they're gonna keep everything cold for some time. So let's do that. We have lots of frozen vegetables and fruits. Really hope we're not gonna lose the power. What are you doing?
Taking away the chairs because we're about to have a hurricane. I don't want them to fly. We come through our windows.
Okay.
Okay? We want to protect our house and our neighbors and everything else.
So we're gonna have all lounge chairs inside the house.
Have a hurricane. I'm bringing this one in so that we can lounge around inside the house.
Oh, that's a great idea.
We can feel like we're on vacation.
Look at this pretty butterfly. Is that amazing? Or what? Just resting. Kiko.
His eyes are kind of like golden.
He's a little baby still, I think.
He's pretty big. Most of the time I don't see him this big. His fingers are so small.
So guys, Jason is still moving everything inside and he's not hungry, but I am very hungry, and I just made boiled potatoes and I'm really craving for red smoked salmon. I would really love to have some salty fish with it, but unfortunately I don't have it, and of course we are not going to go out to get it today. But you know what? Look what I found. Ta-da-da-dam! So it's marinated salty tomatoes. What I don't understand, why in the United States you guys don't eat salty tomatoes. You eat pickles but not salty tomatoes. That's kind of doesn't make sense. But I can only find those things in a Russian grocery store. And I really love it, love it, love it, love it. And I'm so happy I found it. So yeah, bon appetit. You coming inside? Come on, Musa. Moose, it's gonna be very bad. Where are you going? Musa. Musa. Let's go. Musa. Musa, what you gonna do? Мусечка, солнышко. You pretty girl. Good girl. So Jason come up with a really good idea. He put like a piece of wood there, so if we open the door, she's not gonna run out right away. Hopefully it will help and it will work. No. So
Go.
let me just...
Turn on the light, see if she's feeding food already in there.
She's a good girl.
She's already got food, dear.
Look at this pretty gray sky. I love sky. It's always beautiful. So it's still Friday, 6 o'clock, and it's not too bad at all. It's barely raining and it's some wind, but nothing major. So hopefully everything will be okay. So it's about 9 o'clock Friday and the weather is not too bad, but they said it's supposed to start on Friday evening, so yeah, the wind is kind of getting stronger. We have rain, but it's not that bad. So it is Friday, 10:27 p.m. and we have minor rain and our back porch is already flooded. So I don't know how we're gonna do that and what's gonna happen.